A 2-minute guide to DJI Modify point cloud classification. Streamline your processing workflow. 1. Smart filter. Create a new project. Select your LAS or LAZ files and go to pre-processing. At the import stage, you can apply classification, noise reduction, smoothing, and more. Click Process, and the Smart Filter will run automatically. If you skip this step during pre-processing, click ASPRS class to reclassify at any time. This feature automatically identifies ground, vegetation, buildings, wires, transmission towers, dynamic objects, and vehicles. Note that this process will overwrite any existing classifications in your file. Also, if the point spacing exceeds 20 centimeters, or if the cloud is excessively thick, the accuracy may decrease. Overall, Smart Filter is best suited for urban environments and complex building scenes. 2. Terrain Filter. Best for rapidly extracting ground points while retaining more low-lying points. Click Reclassification and select Terrain Filter. Based on slope characteristics and the spatial continuity, it classifies points as ground or non-ground, factoring in flat ground, gentle slope, and steep slope characteristics for refined ground detection. This algorithm is consistent with DJI Terra's ground point classification, making it ideal for DEM contour and other terrain product workflows. Follow for the next video: how to export your terrain results.